A sitemap is a file where you provide information about your pages, videos, other files on a website and relationship between them. Google and other search engines read this file to crawl your website more effectively. But how to make them read this? In this video, I'll show you how to create and submit a sitemap of your website to Google Search Console. You're on the channel Ilia's Digital. Let's go. First of all, you have to have a Google Search Console account. After verifying your website, you can manage sitemaps in here. You also have to understand that many popular content management systems create sitemaps automatically. CMSs like Shopify, Squarespace, they do create sitemap automatically. WordPress doesn't, but there is a lot of plugins like Yoast SEO. Yoast is the most convenient for me. They do create a sitemap, and you can even set settings how to create a sitemap, like to include their categories, pages. But even using custom content management system, you can create sitemap. So just go to XML sitemap into your domain and click start. Afterwards, you'll get a sitemap of the website, of the requested website, and then just upload it to your hosting. So before submitting a sitemap, let's check if we do really have it. So go to the domain and click Sitemap.xml. This is it. It's custom content management systems, but let me show you an example of Yoast SEO sitemap. Even if I type here just sitemap.xml, I'll be redirected to sitemap index.xml, and here it is. So after this, you go to Google Search Console, click on sitemap. Of course, you have to choose your website, and here it is. It's already successfully submitted. If you need just to update, if you've changed your website structure or something else, you have to update your sitemap. Just click on it, click on the three dots and remove sitemap. This is it. To submit a new sitemap, just copy its address on your website without your domain, just address, because the domain is already here. Paste it here and click submit. Of course, it can take time to crawl your sitemap, to index pages on your sitemap, so just wait for it. This is it. Now you know how to create, update, submit your sitemap of your website. I'll appreciate your subscriptions and like and comments. See you soon. Bye.